Hello everyone, Crypto Noob here. Today I want to talk about Rollercoin, huge mining site online, and there was a huge update. They had marketplace, they had new season pass, and a lot of new stuff. So if you want to join, I will put down a link in the description or first pinned comment and join. You will get 1000 Satoshi for free with my referral link. So first of all, they added this battle pass. You can see if you want to play, you go upgrade event and then you will see a free event. I already did, and you will get like this. Those are quests. First of all, I always do a task wall because it's very fast, very easy for experience, and I did also games every day. Make and immerse. I will talk about this later. They subscribe to YouTube channel and Twitter. That's easy. Invite referral link. Also, if you have a friends, you can invite them. And that's that. With free pass, you have those things you get for free. Some powers for 7 days, 3 days. This miner, small but add bonus. You get on 6th level this miner, bonus power for 1 week. Again, new head. I think that's miner bonus power for 2 weeks, and that's it. There are 30 levels. It's very hard to get last level because you need to finish every quest every day, and that's I think hard. They added this store. You should open every day one case and buy some. Wow, this is good. Also, they added this coin. You can buy miners. This is only for this season. I think 77 days. That's also very nice. A lot of power you can gain. Next up, this is best part. No, that's crafting. I need to craft. Let me see. I need some components, but I don't have them. Never mind. You can merge some parts, or like this. Let me show. I don't want to watch because I will lose uncommon common parts. I need them to finish my this. This is marketplace. You can sell and buy a lot of miners for very low price. Those are miners. You see, for 0.2 RLT you can buy a few miners. 0.5. First of all, it's very good update. Let me see how much power this gain. This is very cheap. I need to buy a few for that price, and I will buy next time. Also, there are quests for that coin. I don't know what is the name of for that coin. season token. Okay. So I have to play 40 games. Every day I look to finish quests. It's very easy. Only play games. Easy games. It's relaxing. I kinda enjoy playing these games. You can do it in the morning when you're drinking first coffee. You can finish a few games. You don't need to play all the time. You need only, I don't know, 1 hour a day in total. Every time you play the game, go gain power. Okay, now I'm recording and it's a little bit laggy. Okay, not working. Let me try another one. I forgot. It's really easy to play those games and gain some free power. Mine RLT, gain some power, gain some miners, and you can get also like this. You found a new item, free power. So very easy, simple. Those quests, I will finish them today, and also weekly. For weekly quest, if you finish all, you get 5 roller coins, so that's very good. And that's it. If you have any questions, you can ask me, or in comments, or ask me on Instagram. Enjoy, earn some coins, and good luck. Bye.